Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a fast, affordable, and reliable web hosting, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll be reviewing Hostinger, one of the most popular hosting companies in the world. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share my personal experience, speed test results, and whether it's really worth your money or not. Section 1. What is Hostinger? So first, Hostinger is a web hosting provider that offers services like shared hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, and VPS, all at very affordable prices. It's perfect for beginners, bloggers, and small business owners who want to get their website online without spending a lot. Section 2. Features Overview. Let's talk about some of the key features that make Hostinger stand out. Fast performance. Hostinger uses LiteSpeed servers and NVMe SSD storage, which makes websites load super fast. Free SSL certificate. Every plan includes a free SSL for better security. Free domain. You get a free domain name with most plans. Free email. Yes, you can create a professional email like yourname@yourdomain.com. One-click installer. You can install WordPress or any CMS in just one click. 99.9% uptime guarantee. Your site stays live almost all the time. Section 3. Real experience and dashboard. Now, let's talk about my experience. The Hostinger dashboard, hPanel, is super clean and beginner-friendly. Unlike old cPanel, it's easy to use. You can manage files, domains, emails, backups, and databases from one place. I hosted my website on Hostinger, and honestly, the loading speed was impressive, around 1 second on GTmetrix. Section 4. Pricing and value. One of the biggest reasons people love Hostinger is pricing. Plans start as low as $1.99 per month, and you still get premium features like SSD, free domain, and SSL. And the best part? They often run discount offers and coupon codes, so you can save even more. Section 5. Final verdict. So, should you buy Hostinger? If you're a beginner, blogger, business owner, Hostinger is one of the best budget hosting services out there. It's fast, secure, and reliable, and perfect for WordPress sites. If you want to try it, I've added my special Hostinger link in the description. Use it to get the best discount available today. So that's my honest Hostinger review for 2025. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Also, comment below your experience with Hostinger or any questions you have. I'll reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.